All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about creating a GIF out of the animated slides that we just put together. And everybody loves GIFs. These are, little short animated audio. I'm sorry, not audio. These are little short animated video files that will repeat over and over again. You can add text to them and make them usually pretty funny. But what we're going to do is turn this airplane slide because it starts and stops in the same point. So it's perfect for a loop. So you'll be able to see it kind of repeat over and over and over again. The first part of this is sort of monotonous. You have to download each one of these images, each one of these slides as its own image. And so you do that by clicking on the first image, going to File, Download As, and then I recommend PNGs. PNGs are usually transparent files, but they're also a little higher quality than the JPEGs when they come down from Google Slides. So that's my recommendation. You download it as a PNG, and then it shows up. I've already done that, so we don't have to sit here and watch me do this. But here in my downloads, you will see all of these airplane animation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes that way. We don't want to change the names of all of these because we're going to go to a website called EasyGIF, which you'll see there's a sample right there, that will take all of these and alphabetize them and put them in the right order. So let's go to that website. So once you've downloaded all of them, go to easygif.com. This is a website that I've used to do this a number of times. There are ads, but I've never seen any sort of inappropriate ads on here. So that doesn't mean they won't pop up, but I've not seen one. So if you go to the GIF Maker tab right here, it's going to bring up a place for you to upload all of those images. So we'll go to Choose Files. I'm going to go into my downloads and find all of these. So it doesn't matter what order I take them in. Like I said, it's going to put them in order alphabetically. So I'll open that. It's going to see that I've uploaded my 12 files. If I hit upload, it can take me to the next page. There is a limit. You can have up to 2,000 files, and the finished product can't be more than, I think, 10 megs, which is what, that's pretty big for a GIF. But anyway, so it's put my slides here right there in order. So I can change the delay of each one individually if I need to make a couple slides faster or slower. The lower this number, the faster the transition. So if I look at it right here, the delay time is 20. That's pretty normal. You can have it crossfade frames, which does make it a little smoother, but I've messed with it a little bit. GIFs look they look more natural if they are just kind of starting and stopping. But anyway, we'll kind of skip those two for right now. So I'm going to create Make a GIF. And when I click on Make a GIF, it takes a second for this little cat to dance while it makes the GIF. So I'm going to come back. No, I'm not, because that took a lot less time than I thought. So here's our animated GIF. So that's pretty good. Our airplane is moving and it looks like it's flying by us, but what we really want maybe is to speed that up. So I'm going to take this 20, I'm going to drop it down to 5, and I'm going to click Make a GIF again, and we'll see if maybe there's a little bit fast. Woo, that is pretty fast. Maybe that's a little too fast. So let's put it back. Let's put it back at 20 and hit that GIF again, and maybe we'll make it 15 this time. And let's make the GIF and see what it looks like here. And again, sometimes it takes a second for it to load up. It's not quite, definitely not that slow. So let's give it a second and see if it won't speed up for us. There's our normal speed. So that's pretty good. I'm going to leave it at that. Now, once we've got our GIF here, there's a couple options that we can do with it. You can crop it or rotate it or change some of the things. You can write on each individual slide as well, which will sort of give you the option to put a little title someplace on the slide, and you can do each individual scene with its own words. So that's a pretty neat feature too that you might want to explore. But if you just want this and you're ready to do something with it, hit save. And when you save, it's going to download that GIF to your hard drive, and then you can put it in emails. You can post it on, Google Sites, or you can upload it to Google Classroom. However you want to do it, that GIF is now yours, and you can do what you want with it. So that's how we can turn Google Slides animations into animated GIFs. Pretty fun little project. Definitely a good way to have kids sort of explore different ways of presenting information or telling stories. We've had a number of kids who've created really fun little short animated stories using Google Slides animation and the GIF creator. So definitely something to try out in your classroom. Thanks for watching this Taming the Tech video. Be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the stuff that's being published, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.